people, also for myself personally. It's one of the best victories of my career, and I'm delighted to continue making history.
Canelo, saludos campeón on winning this trilogy with TripleG. I'm sorry to ask you this after you go a hard 12 rounds about what's next, but we know you have talked about the Bivol rematch next, but you've also said you hope Ramirez wins that fight. And if Ramirez wins that fight, you don't want to fight him because you're both Mexican. So at 68, the best fight looks like you and Benavidez. He's born in America. He's half Ecuadorian. So does he count as Mexican, or that fight can happen if in the future?
I don't know. Anything can happen,
But that won't be a reason why I can hold it up that he's Mexican.
Like when I guys, always I say this, you share that video and put whatever you want. When I say I don't want to fight Mexican, it's because I represent Mexico, and that's why. But I don't care. I fight anybody, and I fight all my entire life anybody. What do you think? I don't want to fight with Juan Mexico or Benavidez. But look, I hear his dad talking a lot of shit. But look, he's accomplished nothing. One single champion, Anthony Guerrero. Please, don't disrespect myself. Please, guys. Cuando digo que no peleo con mexicanos es porque siento que yo represento a México. Ellos pueden pelear entre mexicanos, ¿por qué? Porque no es lo mismo que yo. Y no quiero sonar arrogante ni mucho menos, pero yo represento a mi país en todo el mundo. Por eso lo digo. Pero he peleado con los mejores del mundo. Ahora sí, como dice la canción, a los mejores del mundo me les he pegado un tiro. Entonces he hecho muchas cosas en el boxeo. ¿Por qué crees que no voy a pelear con un Benavidez o con un... Por favor, no lo hagas. Ahora, escuché al papá diciendo tantas cosas que no tengo por qué hacerle caso, que malas palabras y ofendiéndome. Pero ¿qué ha hecho su hijo? Peleando con un campeón del mundo nada más en la vida y con todos los demás peleadores perdedores. No me falten al respeto con eso, por favor. Siempre, toda mi vida han dicho, ay, que no quiere pelear con este, peleo, le gana y ahora otro, y siempre sale otro. No me falten al respeto a mi carrera, porque he hecho muchísimas cosas y he peleado con lo mejor del mundo desde que tengo razón.
So it was basically the same answer in Spanish. That's the question. But I did, don't lack respect when you're talking about me. I faced the best out there. I've never ducked anyone.
Well, last question, guys, because we have to be out. Please, hold on.
Canelo, sobre lo que decías de que te vas a dar tiempo para recuperar tu cuerpo, se entiende que para ir por un reto como el de la revancha con Bivol se necesita estar al 100 y pudiera ser, no sé, a lo mejor más allá de mayo. Si se extiende ese tiempo, ¿te gustaría que algunos de estos peleadores, no solo Benavidez, que llevan rato retándote, aprovechen el tiempo para enfrentarse entre ellos?
Ellos pueden hacer lo que se les dé su chingada gana, a mí me vale madre. O sea, si quieren pelear entre ellos, que peleen. Si no, me vale. Al final de cuentas yo voy a pelear con quien yo quiera pelear.
So the question there was, you've mentioned that you're going to need time to recover. I suppose.
No more questions because I'm a little mad and I'm tired. Thank you.
Okay. So the question was, about you'll need obviously some more time to recover, but thinking about the Bivol rematch and possible other rivals as well. Would you like fighters like Benavidez and other fighters to fight amongst themselves? And Sal's answer was, they can do whatever they want. At the end of the day, I'm not bothered who they fight. They can do whatever they want.
I don't fucking care.
Ladies and gentlemen, Canelo.
Gracias. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.